FYI, every Sunday. Mas may character. Sure, sarap talaga pag... What's your guess? Good morning and happy Sunday. Welcome back to my life vlog. So, ito na nga. We are going to Legazpi Sunday Market located in Makati. Corinthians Park, Legazpi Street in Makati. And it's gonna be our first time, okay, both of us, diba? First time again. So, it's gonna be exciting. We're going to eat there and then maybe shop some fresh produce and some local stuff. Hindi ko pa alam. But definitely we are going to eat because we have not eaten anything. It's already 10 o'clock in the morning. Medyo traffic. So if you want to go there, agahan nyo. Ayun. And also, dapat kasama namin yung dog namin. Kaya lang, ayon sa weather forecast, there's a 95% chance of raining today. Makulimlim actually. So, hindi na namin sinama. Ayun, see you there! Ito na ba yun? Si may usok, may nag-iihaw. Nice, may nag-a-assist. FYI, every Sunday free daw yung parking dito. So, yes! Sabi ko na eh. Inihaw. Okay. Wow. Big spoon. Food. Di pa tayo nagko-coffee, be?
Yeah. Pad soya.
Hanap muna tayo ng coffee. Taco ba to? Uy, parang wala na tayong nauupuan.
Yeah nga, dami ng tao. Tapos na sila mag-jogging.
Ito tayo sa kabila.
Ano po nang tawag mo kay Mami? Mayroon na kami doon ako pinapapatuloy.
Ito yung garden kasi nga park to eh.
Ang ganda oh. Dito na
Wow.
tayo punta.
Dito na lang tayo mag-eat.
Pwede. Kasi wala nang space doon eh. Kaya madaming tao dito masyado. Dito na tayo.
Perfect. Daming trees, hindi masyadong umuulan dito.
Sana lang hindi nagkakalat yung mga tao.
Mukha naman. Ako ya.
Pwede.
Ako ya.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sige, go. Takoyaki for breakfast. Natin ba?
Ano, nabukas ang nilalay sa account ko. Ano, Irene? Oo.
Thank you. Magkano yan?
90.
Thank you po. 90 pesos.
Kaya ba may coffee?
We need to find coffee first. Tapos, kainin na natin yan doon. Samosa. Bango. Samosa po. Sarap.
Siyempre,
Sige po. Magkano po yung
80 with chicken.
80 with chicken?
Sige na.
Marine sauce, ma'am.
Apo.
80.
Let's buy some drinks. Okay?
Yep. Coffee pa ba? O
Yes, I need coffee. May mga meat. Alamang. Pampano ba yun? Bangus. Squid. Saan po galing yung mga
Rojas.
rojas?
Yes.
Wow. More over here. Uy, barbecue ribs.
Chimkin.
We found pet treats.
Ito. Ang pang-sprinkle.
We'll buy one for Panda.
Toppers. Yung klase topper.
Anong kukunin natin?
Parang
May beef broccoli chips. Healthy to.
peanut butter.
Pork carrot crunch. Banana peanut butter cookies. Peanut carrots. Apple biscuit. Gizzard. Gusto kaya ito ni Panda?
Ayun nga eh. Para hindi puro chicken.
Sige, ito na lang. 180 po, no? Pwede po to sa dogs and cats, both po.
For dogs, we don't recommend it for cats.
Kasi
Kasi wala siyang protein eh, so hindi siya
okay.
masyadong Ang recommended namin sa cats is for this fish.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Bye-bye.
Uy, jewelries and kikay things.
Wala tayo makita ang
But first, we need to find a seat.
Mama!
Uy, free massage.
20 minutes later.
Coffee.
Tong coffee.
Fresh brewed. Excuse me po, isa pong latte. Ay, dalawa. Dalawa pong latte.
Sorry, ma'am.
Latte po.
Ice or hot?
Pwede ice? Ice na lang? Or hot? Hot na lang po.
Dalawa po.
Dalawa po.
With sugar, please.
With sugar. Ano ba yung sugar niyo po?
Brown sugar.
Brown, okay.
Yan.
Magkano po? 300. Ano po yung gamit yung beans?
Sorry po. Batangas Barako.
Batangas.
Thank you po.
Pwedeng makiupo. Mingming. Sila, di na mainit.
Patatas.
Now, try the takoyaki.
Wala lang cheese doon. May cheese ba ito?
Gulo na ng buhok ko.
Parang des nakakaumay.
Let's now try the coffee. Batangas nga to. Batangas Barako Beans. This place is so nice. And I appreciate na walang music. Kasi it's less chaotic, mas relaxing, no? Good job. So let's explore the park before we find more food to eat. Dapat ba nagpapayong ako?
Ampun.
So, sabi dito, it's Washington Sikip Park.
Sikip.
Sikip.
Masikip dito.
Masikip.
Training.
Sana maraming ganito sa Pilipinas. No? Lang ganito sa Pasig.
Kasi tutulugan ng mga homeless.
May merkato sa Pasig, sa Bridgetown, pero hindi din ganito yung vibe. Mas may character dito sa Makati. No?
Baka hindi pa kasi tapos. Baka naman ganito na yung balak na lang gawin.
Mangrove trees have been the inspiration of this artwork. This is the artwork. Look at that tree. It's so beautiful. And they approached us and asked us to tell a story about our love story.
We can't.
We can't. I said, oh no, we're too shy. I can't. We can't.
Ano kaya
Tapos-
yun? Siguro content niya din.
Tapos sabi niya, are you sure? Sabi niya kasi akala niya nagvo-vlog ako. Are you sure? Ganito ba sa Makati? Hindi mahiyain yung tao. Bigla na lang lalapit sa'yo. It's just like America or New York. May bigla na lang lalapit sa'yo. Tapos magtatanong ng kung ano-ano. If there's one message you wanna tell the world,
Yung mga ano. Then, in your very long life, what advice can you tell the young people?
yeah, like in your 60 years of existence,
What's the one thing you can impart to the young people?
ganon?
Sabihin mo ano. Yan. Don't care about things. Just do what you want.
Like, don't get married.
Yeah.
Or don't have kids. Okay,
And
anyway.
don't waste your
Di pa siya tapos.
don't waste your youth.
Okay, now, we're done with the first batch ng
Kain.
eating session. Let's
Go
get
back.
back to it and find more
Food.
scrumptious food dito sa Legazpi Sunday Market. Beauty!
So big.
Cute, no?
Yeah, it's so big.
Hi, can we have one OG quesadilla? Just one.
What sauce do you want?
What's the best seller?
You want spicy or not spicy?
Spicy.
Chipotle.
Okay.
What's your name?
Jackie.
Barbecue.
Thank you.
Solo. Yung solo lang.
Solo, 330 pesos.
Without rice. Oh,
With rice.
with rice.
Yung rice. So, yung rice meal.
Ay, rice meal.
Ilan po? Isa lang.
380 pesos. Sir, pang free taste po ba to? Hey, let's try. Trash.
380.
we're going back to the car para kumain. Kasi we can't find the seat. Okay, let's eat. Okay, so first, I'm gonna try the taco birria. Queso birria.
Queso birria.
Okay, this is their OG queso birria. Merong lime dito. Then, yung sauce. Ididip mo to eh. Right?
Maybe.
Sarap.
Ang lasa. Asan? Taco.
Chipotle sauce.
Best one so far.
I like that better. Ayaw mo tikman with chipotle. Diba? Mas may kick.
Sarap yung food din.
So good. So sabi ko dyan.
Sarap. Legit na. Legit.
Na?
Masarap yung timpla ng beef nila. Na masarap yung sauce. So yung rice nila maganda. Long grain.
Basmati rice daw.
Ano ibig sabihin?
Type of rice. Let's try the US beef with basmati rice.
Lagyan mo ng sauce ha.
Sauce. Barbecue sauce. Sarap.
Worth it.
Very good. For 380 pesos.
Beef kasi siya kaya mahal.
Kain na. How na ako. Let's try the lemonade calamansi. Regular na.
Sugar level.
Sarap. Refreshing. Just the perfect drink for everything. I like this. This is 10 out of 10. Perfect! We're going to try yung chipotle sauce nung taco sa
Beef.
Angus beef.
Naman. Sarap.
Sarap.
Bilig mo.
Hulog.
Inasahan mo ba?
Yeah. Sure, sarap talaga pag maanghang yung mga bagay-bagay. Okay, so we're just gonna finish this and then
We're going back again.
for a last look. And then we're gonna go home. Okay, we're heading back inside. Tapos wala nang ulan. Yay!
I also have a lot of paper that you can have it framed yourself.
Framed, okay.
Bihira ko dalhin eh, kasi they're bulky. Only when my neighbor is absent do I bring it.
Can we see po the ones na sa paper?
All the prices are in the back.
Okay po. Thank you. Pwede po i-upload sa YouTube. Thank you. Bili tayong gulay. Ano to?
Pili ka na. Anong lulutuin natin?
Ha?
Ano lulutuin natin?
Ang sabi mo? Wag ng vegetables kasi
Kasi kailangan isipin mo pa kung ano lulutuin mo.
fruits na lang.
Kahit
Sige,
kailan
banana. Like banana. How much kaya pag half?
Grabe ito po mga half namin.
Pwede ko putulin?
In-import, sir. Na-import, sir. TNT.
Tapos, sa dragon fruit ko. Pwede pa check yun. Kung magkano yung dalawa. Some dragon
160.
fruit.
300 na lang daw, sir.
379 nakuha.
Madam po 50 po.
Okay, magkano po lahat?
I feel like, what's your guess?
I can't guess, I can't do math.
I think 5
Sige nga, magaling ka ba sa math?
Hindi, 420. 420 guess ko 420. So 50 plus 1.
Wow, 420. Okay.
50 pesos po kayo. 420 nakuha.
Thank you so much.